It's Ronan here from the Student Union, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make no-bake granola bars. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Oats, which you can get for free in the pantry. Chia seeds, which you can get for free in the pantry. Pumpkin seeds, which you can get for free in the pantry. Sunflower seeds, which you can get for free in the pantry. Raisins, which you can get for free in the pantry. The only things you can't get in the pantry are honey, butter, and vanilla extract.
First step is to line a baking tin. This is so you can let your granola set after it's being heated up. I used a lasagna dish in tinfoil, but you can also use parchment paper. Using a large frying pan, you're going to add 150 grams of oats to the pan and just dry fry them. You won't need any oil. Just stir them until they are toasted. You should be able to smell them toasted after a few minutes. Then you want to add the oats to a bowl. Now you're going to weigh out your sunflower seeds, your chia seeds, and your pumpkin seeds, and you're also going to toast these lightly in the pan for a few minutes. You're just going to toast these for a few minutes, and you should see them starting to go golden. You'll hear the pumpkin seeds starting to pop. You're just going to place these in the bowl with the oats. Next step is to weigh out your butter. You want 50 grams of butter, and you're just going to add that to the pan. Next, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little bit extra. You're going to heat the honey and the butter together until it mixes together and starts to foam. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, the oats and all the seeds. Now we're just going to mix it together. Also not forgetting the raisins. You're going to want to keep mixing this together, making sure all the honey and all the butter is mixed with all the rest of the ingredients. Now you're going to add it to your tray, and you're going to press out the edges and press it down. You could also melt chocolate and put it on top of it. You should let this set in the fridge for a few hours. And there you have it, Susie Lee's no-bake granola bars, made in under 15 minutes.